Hello programmer, today we will learn and discuss about what are barrier objects and how to create them using Python, and programmer we will also see an example of how to use them using Python. Programmer, let us first understand what are barrier objects. Programmer barrier objects are used to provide a barrier for the executor of threads. When we create a barrier object, we specify a variable called number of threads. Programmer, when a wait function is called using this barrier object, the thread which called this function is going to wait until the number of threads which called the wait function is equal to number of threads. Programmer once it become equal, all the threads are going to be released from the waiting states. Programmer first initialize the barrier object by using the threading barrier class. Threading dot barrier party actions equal to none, timeout equal to none. Programmer parties is basically denote the number of threads that are waiting at the barrier, and action denote the denote a function that can be created by any threads that has been waiting for the barrier. And last timeout, once the function value specified the in seconds is attained by the barrier, it's get released from all the other waiting threads. It is a very it is a by default considering as none. By default consider as none. Programmer in this code be implemented barrier threading for the creating a barrier object and thread to create thread and time to call sleep function. Programmer, let us create a barrier object with number of threads, and we shall also create two thread targeting the function producer and consumer. When the thread start execute producer, we call wait function using the barrier object. So this thread will be waiting when the thread C start executing. Consumer will call wait function using the barrier object. So this thread will also be waiting. and programmer now the total number of threads waiting is equal to 2 and programmer number of threads, so all the threads waiting are released and execute the resumes. Create two function, one is producer barrier object and second is consumer barrier objects, and using this function we will use sleep function and wait function. Programmer, let's run and how to use barrier objects in this program. Produ- Producer processing wait for consumer, print producer, and then after 1 second will be print the consumed. Same thing you can do that. Let's run and also same thing you can do that. Thank you, programmer. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you again, programmer.